Welcome back, guys. You can see that summer temps are here in Texas, even though we still have a few weeks to go until actual summer. So you need 158 degrees Fahrenheit or 70 degrees Celsius to fry an egg. So we're already well above that point. And so here's an example on one of my other hoods that I'm also testing. Standard Carnauba wax melts at 179 degrees or 81 degrees Celsius. So this is one of our newest tests, where we're going to see if there's a point of no return for layering different types of coatings, waxes, and sealants. All of the products you see here have been previously tested in other tests and have shown to be strong performers. Maybe not necessarily the winner, but strong performers. So we likely won't see any full-on failures on any of these until the 6 to 8 month mark. So what we're really after here is looking for any differences in hydrophobics between layers. I'll leave the current temperature up on top of the screen, and as you can see, it's very warm out. And of course, the last 30 days weather, which is also the lifetime weather at this point, is on your screen here. So we're going to see if we can see any difference between 1, 2, 3, or 5 layers. These products were applied with 1 hour in between. Avalon King, which don't specifically state a time, just a minimum between layers, so like 1 hour. And I think Avalon King, they've commented on some other videos of mine and said that they would prefer 2 hours between layers. So the other difference over here is the Griot's 3-in-1. It says 12 hours between layers. And when I was doing 5 layers, I don't have that kind of time to just sit around and wait to do 5 different layers. It'd take me several days to apply this. At that point, it may start rejecting itself as it starts to cure. So we just did everything 1 hour between layers. That's the way we did it. So let's jump into it and see if we can see any differences. 1, 2, 3, 5 layers. Griot's 3-in-1 up there in the upper left, maybe a little bit different. And that's been pretty typical of Griot's with 1 layer. 30 to 60 days, it'll start showing some wear on it, and then all the way out to about 6 or 8 months, it will basically end up looking like that. But I'm not seeing any difference otherwise. Nanobond, Meguiar's, Avalon King, Sonex, New Finish Graphene Spray, or Soft 99 Fuso, the PTFE version. 1 layer versus 5 layers, top versus bottom. I'm not seeing any difference. What do you guys think? So this is just a quick update this month. And, you know, I'm getting straight to the point, not trying to waste your time. And if you guys do see anything you do end up wanting to buy, please consider doing so through the link in the video description, as 100% of the money that this channel receives goes right back into buying more products to test. So yeah, Griot's up there in the upper left. That's really the only thing I'm seeing for this month's update. So thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.